What's the meaning of advisor? Advisor. 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 The term advisor typically refers to someone who provides guidance, advice, or recommendations on a particular topic or issue. Advisors can work in various fields, such as finance, education, or business, and often possess specialized knowledge and expertise in their respective areas. They may be employed by individuals, companies, or organizations to assist with decision-making and problem-solving, and can offer valuable insights and perspectives based on their experience and training. Overall, an advisor is someone who helps others make informed choices and achieve their goals through practical advice and support.